Good day, everyone. Just one more sleepy, and then we don't have to do school this way. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So, for today's English, all you have to do, same as last week, just draw a line from the picture to the matching word. Okay? Or sentence. We have short sentences, very short sentences. So just draw a line from the picture to the word. Then you've got some subtraction sums. All you have to do is take 10, and out of the 10, you take 2. So what is your answer? Not 10, but 7. Okay, so you have 7 apples. You take away 2. What is your answer? You write your answer in there. And you've got 8 bananas. You take away 4. What is your answer? You write it in here. And then remember to color in all the pictures on the cover pages for your books and cut them neatly along the dotted lines. And that would be it. So you color all the pictures and you cut them along the dotted lines.